Oh, the broken part is right. That one just fell
right
off.
there.
Okay. So it's just missing that little handle right
that's
there.
The only time you need is when you switch it over to metric.
Okay, I just wanted to make a note of that for him. That's not a big deal.
Nope.
All right, so I'll get back here and get a little.
Do you want me to run it?
Yeah, he wants to hear it run, and maybe we'll throw something in there and show him how it does.
He's a special advisor for Green Jobs, White House Council on Environmental Quality. He said February 2009.
So did you ever get your air conditioner fixed, or?
It just started working again. Very strange, you know.
Very strange.
There's a whole bunch of tooling for the lathe.
And there's the 4-jaw chuck he was interested in.
Okay.
There's another steady rest. And down there's, oops, right there's the other.
Oh, here we go.
They didn't clean it up.
Yeah, that's all right.
And down there on that shelf is the dead center.
The dead center, I see it. A lot of tooling.
I guess it didn't make a difference.
Sounds good.
Oh, yeah. So I'm going to speed it up. I'll speed it up and we'll do it again.
Yeah. I think he just wants to make sure it works and everything. Does it speed it up?
Yeah, that's 800 RPM.
800 RPM.
It automatically shut off when it's got it set to shut off.
That's pretty nice.
You want to go some more?
I think that's good.
That's good. Then you'll probably want to see this. This is the feed.
Okay. It's always pretty cool. It's amazing how, you know.
And then reverse.
Perfect. Looks like everything works.
As far as I know, everything works.
Looks like it's working to me.
The other way.
Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Let you go get that. Thank you, George.
Unbelievable. By the way, you got to watch out, folks. We've been telling you about the lead that Bob McDonnell has in the state of Virginia. That lead is now cut in half. There's been an all-out war declared by the Washington Post against Bob McDowell, a solid conservative, and the effort to smear, besmirch, demonize, and impact that election is under full weight here. And a lot of this has to do, well, they went through the great...
And that concludes the Birmingham 1764 lathe.
And they're claiming that, well, he's saying that homosexuality, working women, and abortion are detrimental to